There's another episode of Life is Boring. Getting a pump ready to put down a hole, borehole. Just the old rig. We came out this bloke's place and started off with a 6-inch water bore that was only 19 metres deep, and his water was 18 metres. So he only had 1 metre of water in the bottom, and by the time we started pumping it out into the tank, all the water was gone out of the bore. So we went down almost another 10 metres, went down to 27 metres. And now we're airlifting it, pumping air into the bore and getting the water out. So the yellow sort of limestoney stuff that's underground. We used a bit of foam, use foam and lift it all out the hole. That's what we're doing now as well, cleaning the foam out. Got to drag all the dirt and through the screen and the gravel pack, and hopefully about half an hour there'll be nice clean water.